Go, Andrew. Andrew, it's the large. It's the big handle. Pull harder. Andrew, come on. Andrew. Andrew. The yellow one.
What?
The yellow one. The other one next to it. Okay. Andrew, come on.
Alright, let Jonathan do it.
Mom, come here and hold it so I can video it. Just hold it right.
Okay.
Okay, Andrew. Andrew, get up.
Something fell off in there.
Go ahead, Andrew. It's right in the left corner.
Left corner.
Go, Andrew.
Andrew, go on.
Andrew, come on. I'm going to do it again.
This?
Left corner.
John, do I pull it down?
Yeah.
Wait.
Come, Andrew, just pull.
This?
Okay, Andrew. Happy New Year.